Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this used vehicle.
This is the Audi Q4 e-tron Sport we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely pebble grey. It's got that 55 kilowatt battery, giving you a range of up to 217 miles from a full charge. And you have peace of mind motoring as well with a full Audi service history, alongside a minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves as well. So now for the front of the vehicle, you benefit from the digital matrix headlamps, providing fantastic vision in all conditions with dynamic indicators. We've also got these lovely 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, and also power folding and heated wing mirrors. A huge amount of boot space available as well with split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. To add to further convenience, you've also got an electric tailgate which you can open with the key fob. There's home charging and public charging available up to ultra rapid 120 kilowatt, giving you up to 80% charge in just 38 minutes. Moving inside, you can see those lovely pattern cloth seats with ISOFIX points in the outer seats, and your rear passengers have got their own climate control as well. Moving to the front, there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with that centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, you can see you got that full digital display housing all your vital driving information. You can also have your satellite navigation maps there as well. And alongside digital radio and your multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got that satellite navigation system showing charging points and also points of interest as well. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've even got multiple driver modes available, with the efficiency setting there to help preserve some range. You've got the latest safety systems on board as well to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, such as lane departure warning and much more. And to help with parking, as well as your front and rear parking sensors, you've also got a rear view camera as well. You've also got the SONOS sound system as part of the option fitted comfort and sound pack, which sounds absolutely fantastic. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got plenty of storage, as well as more power outlets so you can charge multiple devices on the move.
For more information, give us a call on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.